Welcome to my channel. Okay, on the bird. I've decided to name him Eat Chicken Nugget. Um, I don't know, however, how he's gonna work out. He was not tamed as I was told. In fact, he is deathly afraid of hands. I mean, he won't even come out of his cage when I leave it open. I've been trying every trick that I know. Now, last night, I did something I never did before. I had Houdini help me. I left Chicken Nuggets cage door open. He watched me get Houdini out, and when he saw Houdini on me, he couldn't resist, and he came out of his cage. I continued to play with him, Houdini, and then at one point, I put Houdini on his perch. Chicken Nugget had flew into the closet and perched on a coat hanger. I went up to him and he actually allowed me to scratch his head for several minutes before he flew off again, landed on his perch, again approached him. Again, he let me scratch his head for several seconds, not trying to bite, not trying to do any of that. So I'm hoping that works. The girl at the gas station tried to offer me $200. I don't think so. I paid for him altogether. 3 for the bird and 100 for delivery. So I have not let it. That's not going to happen. And besides, I'm not quite willing to give up on him yet. I just know that the normal stuff that you use to tame a bird is not going to work. I tried offering him, I would take his food away from him at night, and in the morning, before he got his breakfast, I would offer mallet because it's long and I could just hold the end of it. That was a no-go. First time I tried it, he took a tiny bit of it and then moved away. He will eye me with it, and he will watch me, but he won't come up to it. When I talk to him, he pays attention, although he is allowing me to get closer to his cage. So I think I will be trying it again tonight. And we'll see how that works. I don't expect to tame a bird in a week. But it's obvious this bird really has a fear of hens. I'm working on Diamond Express painting. Um, it does have training wheels though. It's been in my stash forever. Like I said, I named him Chicken Nugget or Chicken Little. Which one do you like that? See, if I named it Chicken Nugget, I kind of swipe at the name. There's a channel with a horse named Chicken Nugget. But I like the name. I want to invite you all to my TikTok. Under the same name. If I can figure out how to link it, I will. Those on TikTok seeing this, if you go on my bio, you will see my YouTube channel, and I invite you to enjoy it. Pay a visit. I haven't forgot about my giveaways, but this bird had to come first. So on the first, I'm sending them out. Another person had an ad for Quakers on Craigslist, no doubt. When I contacted him, I explained that I already had one. It wasn't tame, and I was looking for one that's already tame. He sent pictures of his birds on his hands and different pictures to show that they were. He was wanting to see a picture of the cage we'd be going in. Never had anybody ask me that, but I don't have a problem with that. But he apparently has weaned him off of some weird name of pellets. What he really should have been weaning him off to fruit and vegetables and nuts and okay, he's requiring you to show that you bought that. Well, that's no big deal. I could go buy that, throw it in the trash later, right? Feed it a proper diet. Problem was where he's located is just way too far, and he's unwilling to. He puts out some out of my car, and I says, "Well, I'm gonna have to pass because, quite frankly, you're just too far from me, and I just can't leave my mother that long." I honestly haven't had a bird. I mean, I'm 66 years old. I think I've had two birds that came to me tame, just a couple. However, I've never had one this fearful before. Which is sick when it's your dream bird. And so we'll just have to see about that. A lot of 929, 939s in this. I debated about tossing this painting because of the training wheels. Anyways, my mother kept me up all night. Anyways, I'm going to let you go. I was just giving you an update on the bird. Chicken little or chicken nugget? That's the issue. He eats like a pig. I ain't lying. He literally starts eating when he wakes up in the morning. And he doesn't stop eating. He just eats and eats and eats. Anyways, I gotta go because my mother's calling me. Happy diamond painting. I'll catch y'all later. Oh.